If you sell on Amazon or looking to start an Amazon FBA business, this is an absolute amazing video for you to watch because I'm going to be breaking down a new keyword research strategy, new product research strategy with this new Helium 10 software tool. I'm excited to dive into my screen. We're just going to get right into it. I just want to briefly introduce myself for those that don't know me. My name is Trevin Peterson. I've been selling on Amazon for 5 years. I've done multiple 7 figures on Amazon. The purpose of this channel is to help you guys succeed because Amazon has changed my life and I know it can change yours. So if you guys are all about that, then consider subscribing and let's get into the video. So we're going to come right here and come to the Amazon search bar, and this is where the new tool is coming into place. I'm going to click on the search bar, and as you guys can see, the new Helium 10 Chrome extension pops up. And I absolutely love this because this used to not happen. If you guys go onto your browser, and if you don't have Helium 10 and you type on Amazon, it'll show suggested keywords. But now when I type something on Amazon, it's going to show Amazon suggested keywords. So what it would normally show plus related keywords plus smart complete keywords. And it gives you all of the data that you need to know, is it a good product? Does it have potential? Is it a bad product? Is it seasonal? Literally everything with one click of one button. And I love this not only for verifying products, but also to find products. So I'm going to kind of break down how I'm using this tool inside my Amazon business to help me find products, optimize my listing, and all of that good stuff. So first right here, the Amazon suggestion, when you go to your normal browser, if you don't have that, that's what that column is. You type in something, Amazon is going to suggest what they think is most relevant. And honestly, that is actually a research strategy that I do is I go in and I type random words and it comes up, and I type in wall and I see wall decor, wall art, wall shelves, wall at women, wallpaper, wall clock, wallpaper, pill and stick. All those could be potential products that I sell. But now the only difference is I actually know the estimated search volume. So now I can see, okay, well, maybe I'm interested in selling a wall clock. I want to check the graph, the search history over the last 30 days. It stayed pretty consistent. Over time, you can see that it has been pretty consistent over the years. Yeah, it's had some downs, but for the most part, it stayed pretty level. So that is a good sign that this product is not super seasonal. So that's one kind of use case that I'm using, is to know, okay, is this first, does the keyword have demand? And if it's being searched 200,000 times, absolutely, that has a ton of demand. The next thing is it seasonal? I don't want to sell something that is pretty seasonal. And if we come right here and if we type in Halloween, I'll show you guys something that's seasonal. So if I type in Halloween decorations, it's being searched 1 million times right now because we're coming up on Halloween. But if I come right here and do Halloween decor and I do all time, you'll see that it has a massive spike. And then it has a decline, massive spike, decline, massive spike, 1.2, and this year is already surpassing it. So that's what you can see is the trends, the fluctuations, and you can see all of that. So it's super cool. Again, I type in Halloween, it shows me the suggested keywords. And then if I hit a space, you'll see the related keywords, and then you'll see the smart complete. So that's one use case. I'm going to go back to type in wall, and you'll see right here. So I can click on that. See the search volume, super cool. Related keywords that are related to this. So if I typed in like wall, let's do wall shelves, you'll see that we have the suggested keywords right here. And you can see that we're starting to kind of narrow it down a little bit more. We're seeing, okay, this one's not being searched as much. This has some good trend. Like, why is this one white shelves white? It's showing that it's declining. Is it declining a ton? Let's see. As you can see, it skyrocketed in 2020 for whatever reason, and it stayed pretty level. Obviously not like it was, but it stayed pretty level. Okay, so that's one thing to kind of look at. We'll come back here, we'll do backspace, and we'll see the related keywords. So maybe right here, wall panels, wall divider. That's interesting. A wall divider, temporary wall, room divider. So those are all kind of keywords that are related that could potentially have potential. So that's what I would do, is I would then click on, okay, what's a wall divider? Then I would come in here and I'm like, okay, this is a wall divider. And I'm going to come over here. I'm going to pull up the Chrome extension and I'll go about my product research verification process to see, okay, does this actually have potential? And as you can see, the search volume is good. Average reviews is a little high, but again, that's not what I'm focusing on. You'll see that people are just absolutely crushing it selling these wall dividers. I mean, they're doing 27,000, 87,000, 268,000. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go to review count, and I'm going to sort it from largest to smallest. And I'm just going to see what the main sellers with the most amount of reviews are selling. So as you can see, like this one is a smart remote. So I'm going to delete that because that is not applicable. I'm going to continue to scroll down. And as you can see, my average reviews drop down significantly. So that's one thing that I want you guys to understand how I'm going about product research, what's going through my head, how to use these tools. These tools are amazing, but if you don't know how to use them, then they're useless. So that is kind of what I'm doing, is I'm going in, looking at these key points. I'm not going to dive into the entire verification process because I have a ton of other YouTube videos where I break that down, but those are things that I'm using, and that's how I'm using this new keyword research tool to go in and find me potential products. So that is honestly really cool that I can come right here, I can see the search volume and see everything right there. The next way, and this is another product research strategy, is the Smart Complete. This is where it's actually giving me some keyword ideas that could be potential product ideas. So as we can see right here, wall decor, wall shelves, wall clock, key holder for wall, neon signs for wall decor, boho wall decor. I'm sure that this boho wall decor is probably something that I could look into and dive into a little bit more. This seller doesn't have a ton of reviews. As you can see, 1 review, 26 reviews, 13 reviews. And if I pull up the Chrome extension, I'm sure these sellers are probably doing pretty good. We'll pull this up right here, and you can see that this seller that has 189 reviews is doing 45K. This seller that has 26 reviews is doing 20K. So right there, I just found a potential product that I could start selling on Amazon just from literally typing in wall into the Amazon search bar. And Helium 10's new software is auto-populating and recommending different keywords that I can now take and figure out, okay, is boho wall decor seasonal? Let's see. It looks like in the last 30 days, it's trending upward. All-time upward trend. So boho decor, wall decor is an upward trend. So maybe that's a niche, a category that I want to get involved in. And right there, as you can see, that is great data, great information that I can then take to then implement with product research, verifying it, and creating the perfect listing. So now the last use case is creating the perfect listing, finding keywords for your Amazon listing. I've talked about this a few times. When it comes to selling on Amazon, it is like a search engine. So similar to YouTube and Google, people go to YouTube. For example, how do I sell on Amazon? They type that in. What happens? YouTube populates a bunch of Amazon FBA videos on how to sell on Amazon. Somebody might type in, how do I fix my toilet? They type that in. YouTube is going to populate, how do I fix my toilet? Same thing with Google. If you go and type in, what are the NBA scores? What's the weather? Google is going to populate related searches. And it's the same thing with Amazon. If somebody searches wall decor, they don't want slippers, they want wall decor. If somebody searches for slippers, they don't want a razor. You guys get the point. If somebody is searching for something specific, Amazon is going to populate it. So that is why keywords are super important. And that is why we need to optimize our listings with the most important keywords. So if we want to be searchable, if we want to be relevant, and if we want Amazon to display our listings, then we need to find these keywords. So let's just say I'm doing boho wall decor. I'm just going to type boho wall decor as my product. And we'll see the Amazon suggested keywords. So right here, you can see we have boho wall decor for bedroom, boho wall decor for living room, boho wall decorations. We have a number of different keywords right here. We have some over here that these are just a little bit more broad, but I would want to go in and make sure that this keyword, boho wall decor for bedroom, is in my title, is in my listing. And that is what you're going to be using this new keywords tool for. And honestly, I absolutely love it. So one last thing that I want to share is we're now going to dive and search boho wall decor. And again, this is to continue on the listing optimization strategy. So I'm going to search boho wall decor. I'm going to come up to the Chrome extension, instead of hitting Xray, I'm going to hit Xray keywords. And this is where we're going to pull even more keywords, more information to help us best optimize our listing and figure out what keywords we're wanting to target. So as you can see, we've got boho decor, ton of search, boho wall decor, ton of search. We got macrame wall hanging. So if you guys are selling that wall hanging thing, we got boho room decor. We've got a number of keywords, and what you can do is you can actually filter these out. So if you guys are only looking for certain search volume, if you don't want anything over 100,000, if you want high Cerebro IQ scores, so let's just say we want everything over 2,000. We want word count at least 2 to max 6. I'm going to hit apply filters. And as you can see, it filters out those keywords. And now we have 13 keywords that have good Cerebro IQ scores. We got the search volume, we've got the competing products, and all of that good stuff. We got the search volume trend. And that is a great way to find additional keywords. So use this tool for everything, to verify products, to find products, and to optimize your products. And lastly, I didn't mention this, but you can use it inside your PPC campaign. So use these keywords to then plug into your manual PPC campaigns to drive traffic to these keywords, because you know if these keywords are being searched, they're related to your product, you might want to advertise those so you can start ranking for other keywords. So that is a complete breakdown of the new Helium 10 keyword Chrome extension, Xray keywords. It's still in beta, so they're going to be continuing to release new updates, and I'll keep you guys updated with more details on how I'm using it. But it is a fantastic tool. I'm super excited about it, and I want you guys to go and use it. And if you guys don't have Helium 10, the link will be down below. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed, like the video, subscribe, drop a comment, and we'll see you in the next video.